How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a Kegel workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBergen999. Hopefully I didn't say that already. Okay, Kegel workout. The exercise that we will be doing today is going to be the squat hold. Great exercise to do. We're gonna hold for 10 seconds. We're gonna do 10 sets. It's gonna be good. So this is a squat hold. It's a very good exercise. You're just gonna get into this position and you're gonna hold the squat position for 10 seconds. Just like that. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Good, good, good. But yeah, 9th video of the day, so I'm cruising right along. I got 2 pretty easy 5-minute vids after that, then I got a push-up vid. So chances are I'll be done by about 6 o'clock. My wife is gonna be home at about 10 after 6. So I'd like to be done time she gets home, and I gotta preheat the oven. I'm gonna make supper. Just gonna put a lasagna in the oven and some garlic knots. Oh, they're so good. And then I gotta clean up the kitchen too, so not too bad. Started making vids today at 2:30. Should be done by about 6, so 3.5 hours of making vids. It may seem like a long time, but I mean, it's been 2.5 hours already. The time just flies. Just to let you guys know why it goes by so quick, holy crap, my arms are looking big, is for the simple fact that when I'm done making my videos, like when I'm done making videos right now, like let's say I just make this video. What I do is I go on YouTube on my phone. I upload it directly from my phone to YouTube. I don't go from my phone to the computer. That's what I used to do. I used to upload it from my phone to the computer, then the computer to YouTube. Now it's just my phone to YouTube. So much faster. And then while I'm doing that, I'm making my title, I'm making my thumbnails, I'm making my tags, making my description, all that fun stuff. I'm listening to my favorite music in the background. So it's basically just like, it's basically me just listening to music for 3 hours. Yeah, I'm doing this stuff, but it's super easy. Like, it's not really that difficult. I already know what all my videos are gonna be and stuff like that. So it's not, it's really chill, and that is why the time goes by super duper fast. I think if I was just sitting here and I wasn't listening to music, it would get pretty damn boring. But because I'm listening to music, I think it goes by way quicker. It actually does, because I tried making videos in my basement before with no music being played, and it was boring. Holy crap, it was boring. One video, that's all I was doing, and I'm like, oh, this is taking forever. So a lot quicker doing this. It's way quicker. I've really improved since I first started making videos to now. Like, I'm so much more efficient. I'm better at doing them. It's just amazing. Let's do another 10-second hold. Okay. Ten seconds. Booyah. Oh yeah, almost halfway done. My arms are really sore. I did a push-up workout and they're so sore. Getting really itchy too for some reason. I don't know why. After this, the jawline, forearm workout, then I'm doing push-up workout, another push-up. But that will put me at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 videos for the day. After that, wife should be home, and that's when I am done making videos for the day. So hallelujah. But yeah, it doesn't seem like it's that long, like 3 hours of making YouTube videos, 3.5 hours. It's really not that long in my opinion. I love doing this exercise for kegels. Like it's amazing. It's so good. Hoorah! Okay, we'll do it again. 10 seconds. Okay. But yeah, the most I've ever made YouTube videos in a day, got up at about 6:30, started making videos at 7. I made videos from 7 till noon, and then about 1:30 to 6. No, that's not right. 7 till noon, 5 hours, and then I did another 4 hours, I think. I made 30 videos in 9 hours, so that's pretty decent. That was a ton of videos. That was way too long. And yeah, that's the most amount of videos I've done. We are. I might actually make 11 videos. Maybe I'll make 11 and call it a day. Just because I have some stuff I want to do. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Again, it doesn't really matter. I mean, as long as you're kind of in the ballpark of about 9 videos per day, you're good. If some days I make 7, that's okay. If some days I make 11, that's good. Some days I make 10, that's good too. 12, that's good. What I consider not to be good is 4 videos, 5 videos, 6 videos. Anything over like 7 or above is decent in my opinion. But that's just for now when I have actual time to do it. There will come a time with work where it does get busier that I can't make videos every single day. The good news is since I've been making so many videos, all my videos are scheduled, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And that's like the best thing of YouTube is that they do that. They have the scheduling button so you can make videos in advance and then all your videos are done. You don't have to worry about if you have a video that's going to be up or not. It's just, it's done. So super dope. Okay, we'll do another 10 seconds. Booyah, 10 seconds. Okay. So yeah, that's 100 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 sets. Quite a bit of volume, to be honest. You can hold longer. I can hold way longer than 10 seconds. But in my opinion, you don't have to go super duper long. Because we're doing so many sets, each set doesn't have to be super duper intense. It could be low to moderate intensity, but again, because we're doing 10 sets, that gives us a lot of volume. And that's how I like to train. That's how I train on my videos, because it's the best way to train, in my opinion. It's the best way to build muscle, best way to maintain muscle, and it's the best way to lose fat. So that's my opinion. That's how I train. Hopefully you guys do enjoy it. Anyways, end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.